Hello class, I am Thomas Allen, and the following presentation is for our EVSP 501 Environmental Management class on October 6, 2019. The topic that will be addressed is hazardous waste and hazardous material handling for a maintenance facility. The objectives of the briefing are to introduce the vision statement, to identify management alternatives to the plan, discuss the criteria that has to be implemented to ensure the success of the plan, and to list the references used for the presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to give an overview of the situation that requires the proper handling and disposal of hazardous materials and hazardous waste. An Army Reserve maintenance facility is scheduled to be closed in the near future, and they have been tasked with properly disposing of all their hazardous materials and hazardous waste. The detail that makes this facility different than most other Army Reserve facilities is that it has some of the hazardous material and hazardous waste located on its shore facility, but the majority of the products are located on an Army boat that is sitting in the water. If proper procedures are not followed, the potential for a spill into marine waterways is present, which could damage marine wildlife. The vision statement for the maintenance facility is Area Support Maintenance Activity 128 will be the model facility of environmental stewardship for the 20 maintenance facilities in the 81st Readiness Division. There are three possible management alternatives that can be implemented if the employees at the maintenance facility are not able to complete the mission. Some reasons the employees cannot complete the mission would be if the employees begin new employment due to the upcoming layoff, logistics cannot be arranged in a timely manner, and support equipment for the facility is transferred before the turn-in can take place. The first alternative is a contractor can be contracted to come and dispose of the hazardous material and hazardous waste. Second, another Army watercraft can be used to transfer the product to, and then that vessel can sail to another location and dispose of the hazardous waste. And third, the Army vessel can sail to the North Carolina State Port in Morehead City, North Carolina, and use its facility to dispose of the hazardous material and hazardous waste. For this plan to be a success, there are four key elements that have to take place. First, there has to be effective communication between the maintenance facility and their area environmental protection specialist to ensure the proper paperwork is completed in order to ship the hazardous material and hazardous waste. With time being a factor on closing the facility, communication with the area environmental protection specialist is vital to mission success. Next, the availability of the hazmat transportation service needs to be verified to ensure it falls within the hours of operation of the maintenance facility. As the plan moves into the physical disposal of the hazardous material and hazardous waste, a spill response boom, like the one seen in this picture, must be deployed around the vessel before any operations begin. This will contain any spills that may happen and keep the spill from spreading through Calico Creek and possibly the Atlantic Ocean. And the final element is the employees must follow proper handling procedures of all the hazardous material and hazardous waste to prevent personnel injury, damage to equipment, and environmental contamination. This concludes my presentation. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me using our Classroom Message Center. Thank you.